Hey there, and welcome to Factorio Space Age. My name is Brune, and in the last episode, we had gotten the train system all set up here, and now we have scrap being forced right into the system very quickly, and as you can see, it's totally plugging up, I think because of batteries right now. So I think we need to add batteries to the destroyer system, which means probably around 9K is I think what we'll do. Because because they stack to 200. So the plan for this episode, though, is to do a little bit of these new Fulgora things so we can get the Fulgora science going. I think once we craft a couple of these, we'll get that science unlocked. And then we can actually look and plan that out and kind of start taking some measurements or guesstimations as to how we might go about achieving the science per second we've been looking for of 2 a second. So let's start by doing the battery destroyer. And should be right. Yeah, there we go. Negative 9,000. And here we add an output. I wonder how many outputs I'm allowed to have. Guess we'll find out if we reach that limit. And then we'll just make a second one of these things, these combinators. Yeah. Bunch of batteries. Wait, so batteries actually bring out resources. Okay, hold up. Well, we'll still set that up, but then over here we will have one of these things that actually will be breaking the batteries down. Let's make sure there's space all around this thing. I'll pick those up. Start it right there. And power pole right there. Carry the robo signal over. So now we're going to do one of these where we're going to have a requester here. And it's going to request, say, 100 batteries. And we'll say 200 batteries. And if batteries are over 5,000 and we don't have enough, actually I want to see what we get from battery. I think it's just going to be copper and iron plates. That will be the thing we're looking for here. Clean circuits. Okay, so if copper plate is less than 500 or iron plate is less than 500, I want it to be those two things ORed. Why is this not working the way I want it to be? I just want it like reversed. Where the ore is. Let's then put batteries is greater than 4,000. So would this be outputting right now? Check signal. Yeah. Kind of like surprised that I can't do this the way I want. Wait, so wait, maybe if I do this, we do. It's kind of weird how I have to set this up. Batteries greater than 4,000. Less than 500. So this is it. Yeah, so both of the times these need to be happening, but I want there to for sure be less than 500 of them. Enable if check mark equals 1. Wait, and then there should be and copper plates. Copper plates is less than so it's only stacked to 100, so we'll say 4,000. Now I think this is kind of messed up because now I need to. Oh wait, I can drag these around. Oh, perfect. Okay, so now I can do iron plates is same thing, less than 4,000. Oh, 4,000. Okay. Perfect. So that was something I was missing that was definitely mucking up the stuff going on there. Craft item supercapacitor. Okay, let's get on with doing that part. I think I want to build a bunch of concrete over there too. There we go. It's very easy to see which things you can actually remove now too. It's kind of funny. So that's right, I need a third one of these. Electromagnetic plant. Actually, who knows how many of these we need. Grab them all. Plan this out a little bit here. Those two things are completely separate, but we need both of them to create this part. This needs... I mean, the number's pretty easy here that I need 1 electrolyte a second, so I don't really need to use that other thing, but... And this makes 2 electrolyte a second, so one of these can feed 2 of these. And this needs 1 superconductor every 5 seconds. This makes 2 every 5 seconds. Yeah, okay, so 2 of them can go into 1. Okay, so... That's so... That means it should be like this. And... Yeah, they connect into this. Oh wait, this is reverse. 2 of those. There we go. Yeah, because if we now check our math, this thing does, or it needs 2 a second, and this outputs, oh my gosh, 6 a second. Why? Even if the crafting speed is twice as fast. Oh, it's because of productivity. Okay. So then that means 1 of these can do 3 of these. 1.2. Yep. So because of productivity, 1 can do 3. So as productivity goes on, 1 will be able to do more. So... I think it's funny doing them like that. Then you could just do something like 1 of these on the end. And this, however, is a belted thing. It requires a whole different fluid. Okay, so if vertical, horizontal, vertical, oh, of course I messed that up immediately. I think I'm going to do it like that, just to make it easy on myself. Then this, I think, will be better off something like this. Then you can do onto a belt. I'm gonna go do a little quick shopping here. Little belts. Okay. Kind of liking this. This is fun. Getting back to the roots of Factorio, building stuff. So this thing needs holmium solution, heavy oil, and stone. This needs 4 holmium solution. Second. Do I have a chem plant? No, but I can. Oh, I do have some chem plants. This makes 10. Way more than enough for this. Technically could just go like that. Now, yeah, this is the thing that's making the electrolyte. And so it needs the heavy oil as well. We can just, that's an easy one. You get that straight from there. But it also needs stone, which is annoying. I wouldn't say annoying, it's just challenging. Let's set this to be 400. I'll make sure that thing has enough stone. Actually, no. Put that outside of there for now. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go and inspect those walls over there, or push them back. Something like that. Okay, this one needs a whole slew of things. That's not nearly enough. Let's do 60, 5 times that. Okay. And then we need light oil cracking. So now this needs a second. This makes 15 a second, a whole ton. So, yep, that's where the heavy oil is. Oh, but I can horizontal flip it. I always keep forgetting that. That's awesome. Let's do it like 1, 2, 3. Have a little tank here. Perfect. Actually, we could even do it like this. Then we could put a water tank right there. Heavy oil could still get in that way. That's getting us some. This will need holmium and stone. Ooh, that's annoying. It would be sweet to make them share. Oh, wait, no, wait. Okay. Horizontal, 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 horizontal. That's gonna have to go. And we're gonna have to put down our own. This isn't quite lining up the way I want it to. Wait, but then I can move this over. Character, get out the way. There we go. Water will come in there. Water goes into there. Heavy oil into there. So now, I think I need to just have an ice melter as well. Kind of like just doing it underground right here, so that I can set this thing to be melting ice. Okay, I need a few of those. Ooh. That's cool, I didn't know you could do that. Okay. Oh, I have concrete for that. There we go, perfect. Okay, so ice is coming in for that. Yeah, I don't need to set those because I can just set them later. So stone will come in for both of these. And then I'll do holmium right there. I have no idea how many of these I need. We're gonna do that many. Okay, so now I just need to basically hook heavy oil up to this bad boy. Where's a water pump? A water miner. D. For me, it's D. That probably might be confusing for some people. Ooh, I just need some iron plates. Oh, there's plenty. Oh, and I already had one. Of course. And the cliff is in the way. There it is. Oh, got it right here, it looks like. Yeah, I do need 2 undergrounds here. Oh no, I need more than that. This probably isn't where I should keep this for now. If I need to move it, I can move it. That's not a big deal for now. Let's go with 200. Actually, it's 1 a second. This needs 2 a second, so 3 a second total. Oh, and that makes way more than enough. Perfect. One more pipe. 3 stone. 400 of it. There'd be holmium. We'll do 100. This one needs all those things. Let's do 60. 60. 60. Alright, is it instantly gonna do for me here in a second? Oh, these need a lot more than those. Which is okay. We fixed that very easily. Here, let's get rid of this. And that in there. There we go. I wanted it to be a bot mall anyways, you know? That would take 24 of these. And 24 of these. Power is getting a little low. So yeah, so now this is making me really curious about whether or not you can connect power. Stuck. Connect power across these islands. Or if it's like the island really is only as powerful as it can basically be spread out. And like putting it right here gets a little further to the edge there, so that might help get a little more power. The other thing is, I guess I don't know how much power these things take. Can they take C modules? They can. They take how much power? What, 2 megawatts? It's not bad. Okay. Aha! So I have it now. I have the fancy science. Electromagnetic science packs. Make that in one of these fancy plants. Now let's see here. One every 10 seconds. I make 1.5 every 10 seconds. So I wonder if I need 6 of them. That's kind of what it's looking like to me. 6 of them would be a lot of this fluid, though. Okay. We're going to be in for quite the build here. Makes me wonder the best way to go about this would be. So if we plan this out, we need 6 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. let's... I need to have some to build with. Okay. 6 of them means I need 30 a second, which I think means I need 5 of these. Yep. So 5, making that stuff. How much holmium stuff do I need? Research is all done. Yeah, and really all I have is infinite research other than the stuff I can do with this stuff. Scrap recycling productivity. All this productivity stuff is pretty cool. Energy shields Mark II. Heck yeah. Do I go in order? Or do I go... I don't know, I think I'll do it in order, because I do want to experience this as someone who doesn't know stuff ahead of time. I've heard that people do not like Gleba comparative to the other planets. We'll get that one research in here. Okay. So we know we need 5 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means 5 times 4 is 20 holmium. And 6 times 5 is 30. We need 50 of this holmium fluid. So 5 of these. Okay. Wait, you need to put accumulators? We need 1.2 accumulators per second, which we have a thing right here. Oh man, this is actually pretty slow. It's 0.7. So basically 3 per machine. So 18 assemblers making here. Then I'm going to make a display panel. I think I need 2 display panels. Okay. We also need 1.2 of these. So we just need a 4th one. Means 2 more of these. Let's do this. Seven. And 4 of this. Means that we actually need 7 of these. So 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 4 is 28. I basically just need one more. 6. Be 58. I'm adding 2 more of those on. Okay. So that should basically be everything there. I'm assuming that the scrap ratios you get will semi work out and that there shouldn't be a crazy amount of finagling. That'd just be kind of unfun to have this mechanic and then make it just so ridiculously complex it's almost frustrating just to even try and balance and work through. So I will need to, so if I need 4 of this, that means I need 1.6 of this. So I would need 3 of these. And that to basically another 45 of that per second, so you need another 4 of this. So we're up to 10, I would think, here. Okay. And need 1.6 of this, so we need 2 of these. Really we need 1 1/3. We need basically possibly 1 more of those. Like this. And we need 2 of them. We know for sure we at least need 2. Maybe another one of these. 1 1/3 would basically be like 5. Plus this would be, or plus 1.6 would be 2.1. Yeah, so 3 should still cover that. Okay. And then we need the full, so I kind of want to do just 11 here of that fluid. Plastic, the copper plates, don't need to worry about making. Batteries, green chips, don't really need to worry about making. I think we'll be able to break down more of it. Okay, so solid fuel is, let's see here. That's about 72. Let's do 8,000. Oh, and then this one got messed up because of the battery situation. Yeah, so you can't get rid of batteries this way. You'd have to force it into those other things. Whoa, that's actually bad news there. That off of there. Oops. That was a mistake. A little bit clogged up here. Okay. We just really need to add in copper plates. -4,000. Okay, and now I need to do negative 8,000 solid fuel. I'm assuming I can also put that in there. Yep. Probably want to turn that into power with a lot of the excess water. But I also, like, even if I wasn't using up enough power, I would still need a way to vent that stuff eventually. Oh man, this episode's really getting away. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to end it here, and we'll hop in the next one. We'll finish these plans up, and yeah, and then we'll go from there. Thanks so much for joining me. Looking forward to finishing up this new science with you guys in the next one. Hope you're enjoying the series, and take care.